Hello, and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to add a credit card to the Tripadvisor app on your Android phone. Whether you're booking hotels or experiences, saving your payment method makes future checkouts easier and faster. First, open the Tripadvisor app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom menu and tap the account icon. Then, scroll down a bit and tap on Preferences. Then select Payments Preferences to open the Payment Settings page. Now tap Add Payment Method to begin entering your card details. Carefully enter your cardholder name, card number, expiration date, and security code. Scroll down and enter your billing address, including street address, city, state, country, and postal or zip code. Once all the information is entered correctly, scroll down again and tap on Save Data to store your payment method securely. That's all for today's guide on adding a credit card to Tripadvisor on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment below.